Welcome to our channel, where we simplify complex financial concepts, starting with how to calculate mortgage payments. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify complex financial concepts, starting with how to calculate mortgage payments. Calculating your mortgage payment may seem complicated, but with the right steps, you can easily figure out exactly what you need to pay each month. Let's break it down step by step for a clear understanding. First, you need to know three key pieces of information: the loan amount, the interest rate, and the loan term. The loan amount is the total money you borrow from the lender. The interest rate is the annual rate charged by the lender for borrowing the money, usually given as a percentage. The loan term is the length of time over which you will repay your loan, typically expressed in years. Once you have these numbers, you can use a standard mortgage formula or a simple calculator to determine your monthly payment. The formula involves calculating the monthly interest rate by dividing the annual interest rate by 12 months. Next, you compute the total number of payments by multiplying the number of years of the loan term by 12. The core calculation involves using these to compute the monthly mortgage payment with this formula. Payment equals PR1 plus RN, 1 plus RN1, where P is the loan amount, R is the monthly interest rate, and N is the total number of payments. This formula accounts for both principal and interest payments spread evenly over each month of your loan term. To make this simpler without manual calculations, you can also use online mortgage calculators. Just input the loan amount, interest rate, and term, and the tool calculates your monthly payment instantly. Remember, your monthly payment may also include other costs like property taxes and homeowners insurance if they're part of your mortgage escrow, so be sure to factor those in for a full picture of what you will pay monthly. Understanding how to calculate your mortgage payment helps you plan your finances better and budget accordingly for your monthly expenses. With this knowledge, you can also compare different loan offers and choose the best option that fits your financial goals. Calculating mortgage payments doesn't have to be intimidating when you follow these straightforward steps and use the right tools to help. We hope this guide makes the process easier and empowers you in your home buying journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more financial tips and how-to guides.